Made a boo-boo. Sunday went down to the river and was getting my drone to follow my truck, and one tree branch got me. So what we're gonna do is a little bit of surgery.
Perfect night tonight. Oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
After my trip to the river Saturday, I broke my drone, my DJI Mini 4 Pro. But DJI is such a good company. They thought about it. Parts are cheap, and the parts are also interchangeable from other models. So this arm was broke off. Now it's fixed. Now we're getting ready to give her a test flight. Let's see how it does. First time back flying since I've repaired it. See how she does. Man, she works. Alright, pretty good. Now let's see what she'll do outside.